Hello and welcome to today's tiny butterfly tutorial. I'm starting with a magic ring, chain 2 and 2 double crochet into this ring. Chain 3 and a slip stitch into this ring. Chain 4 2 double crochet neck 2 triple crochet necks, chain 3 and a slip stitch into this ring. Chain 3 2 triple crochet into this ring. Chain 4 and a slip stitch into this ring. Chain 3 2 double crochet into this ring. Chain 2 and a slip stitch into this ring. And now you can pull this ring tight. I make a double knot with the yarn ends. And take a second color pull this tight, make a knot, and trim the antennas. And finish is the tiny butterfly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a like or subscribe. And I see you next time on the hook. Thank you for watching and bye bye.